What is solar thermal air conditioning? Solar thermal air conditioning, STAC, is a sustainable and cost-effective solution for cooling buildings. The technology harnesses the power of the sun to generate cooling, reducing the reliance on traditional air conditioning systems that are powered by electricity generated from fossil fuels. Here's how STAC can save significant dollars and be environmentally safer. Lower energy costs. The sun provides a free source of energy, so once a STAC system is installed, it eliminates or significantly reduces the cost of cooling a building. The system can be designed to operate either independently or in conjunction with a conventional air conditioning system, providing a backup cooling solution during power outages or periods of high demand. This can result in significant energy savings and reduced operating costs for building owners. Improved sustainability. STAC systems do not use refrigerants, which can be harmful to the environment if not properly disposed of. Instead, the systems use a closed-loop system that uses a heat transfer fluid, such as water or glycol, to transfer heat from the solar collectors to the air conditioning unit. This results in a reduction of greenhouse gas emissions and improved sustainability compared to traditional air conditioning systems. Enhanced comfort. STAC systems use natural ventilation to provide cooling, which can result in a more comfortable indoor environment compared to traditional air conditioning systems that rely on forced air. The natural ventilation helps to improve air quality and reduce the number of pollutants in the indoor environment. Increased reliability. STAC systems do not rely on electricity or other power sources, so they are less prone to power outages or other disruptions. This results in increased reliability and reduced downtime compared to traditional air conditioning systems. Additionally, these systems do not require frequent maintenance and are designed to be long-lasting, which can reduce the need for costly repairs or replacements. Increased property value. Buildings equipped with STAC systems are seen as more environmentally friendly and sustainable, which can enhance their value and appeal to potential buyers or renters. This can result in increased property values and improved marketability for building owners. Federal and state incentives. Many federal and state governments offer incentives and tax credits for installing renewable energy systems, including STAC systems. These incentives can offset the initial cost of the system and provide additional savings over the long term. Lower total cost of ownership. While the initial cost of installing a STAC system can be higher compared to traditional air conditioning systems, the long-term savings and reduced operating costs can result in a lower total cost of ownership over the life of the system. In summary, STAC systems provide a cost-effective and sustainable solution for cooling buildings. By harnessing the power of the sun, STAC systems can result in lower energy costs, improved sustainability, enhanced comfort, increased reliability, increased property value, and lower total cost of ownership compared to traditional air conditioning systems. Additionally, many federal and state governments offer incentives and tax credits for installing STAC systems, which can offset the initial cost and provide additional savings over the long term. Contact us to help set your business for success. Thanks for watching.